Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything up. Make sure the case and both Indy ANC buds are charged to at least 50% so the connection is stable. Once done, open the case to wake the earbuds. They enter pairing mode automatically the first time. Meanwhile, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and keep the device within 3 meters. This reduces interference and speeds discovery. If the earbuds don't show up immediately, close and reopen the case to reset their advertising signal and try again. Once the earbuds are advertising, go to your device's Bluetooth list and select the entry labeled Skullcandy Indy ANC or a close variant. Tap to pair and, if prompted, accept the PIN. Most modern devices require no PIN or use zeros. After initiating pairing, listen for the voice prompt or watch the earbuds LED. They typically change color or stop blinking when connected. Make sure media audio is enabled in the Bluetooth profile. Otherwise, you may pair but not hear sound. To finish, play a short audio clip and test left and right channels, plus toggle ANC to confirm functionality. If the buds fail to pair, reset them by placing both in the case, holding the touch controls or buttons for at least 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then try pairing again. If that still fails, remove any existing Skullcandy entry from your device's Bluetooth list, restart your phone's Bluetooth, and repeat the pairing sequence. This clears stale bonds that often block new connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.